Hi, welcome to Exercise Well with me, Stephanie Mansour. Today I've got a full body workout that you can do with just one piece of equipment, a resistance band. So just to give you a little bit of an explanation about these, you can get them in a heavier band, a medium band, or a lighter band. Now, the resistance on these is going to change. So I recommend you have one that you can pull pretty far apart if you're a beginner. And if you're a little bit more advanced, you can use one that doesn't give you as much room. So for starters, I'm gonna show you how you can work your lower body, then we're gonna move into the upper body, and then of course the core. We're gonna first wrap it around your thighs. So now that the band is wrapped around the thighs, notice how we have it just a couple of inches above the knees. I'm down here in a squat position with my abs held in. So to start, we're gonna take a few steps one way and then a few steps the other way, and make sure that you keep that resistance band nice and taut through the duration of this exercise. So step, and then bring the other foot to meet it. Step, and bring the other foot in, and repeat this 10 times to one side, and then go back the other way. And this is really working the outer thighs, the outer hip, the quads, and the core, because you gotta keep this nice and stable as you're doing these side steps. The next one is for the triceps, so the back of the arm. So, I'm gonna have you hold on to your resistance band across your chest. Then you're gonna thread your hand through, and we're gonna work that hand's upper arm, so the same side. So here we go. Pressing down and then coming back to center. And repeating this 10 times per arm to really work the upper arm and triceps. Now we're gonna work the front of the arms, or the biceps. So I'm gonna come down onto the ground on one knee and then on one foot. Bring the band underneath the foot and then pull the band up as high as your knee. From here, pull the abs in and then curl the band up so that it's reaching towards your shoulder, and lower it down to the start position. Make sure you keep your elbow hugged in towards your sides for the duration of this exercise. And repeat this 10 times on this side and then switch to the other side. The last exercise is working the core and the inner thighs. So take the band and place it around your feet. So I have this about at the middle of the bottoms of my feet, and I'm gonna roll down onto my back to move into a crisscross with a bicycle of the legs. So here we go. Lying down, bringing the legs up to tabletop, hands behind the head. Navel in towards the spine. I'm gonna press through one foot as I pull the opposite knee in towards me and twist, and then slowly come through center and go to the other side. You wanna make sure that you're really working the legs here and keeping this band nice and taut. I recommend doing 10 of these to each side, and then you're done. This was a full body resistance band workout with me, Stephanie Mansour. Thanks for joining us today for Exercise Well. Bye.